初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I don't want to get up.
I don't want to get up.
我不想起床。
I don't want to get up.
I don't want to get up.
Just 5 more minutes, please.
Just 5 more minutes, please.
请再给我5分钟。
Just 5 more minutes, please.
Just 5 more minutes, please.
What time is it now?
What time is it now?
现在几点了？
What time is it now?
What time is it now?
I overslept again today.
I overslept again today.
我今天又睡过头了。
I overslept again today.
I overslept again today.
I need to wake up fast.
I need to wake up fast.
我需要快点醒来。
I need to wake up fast.
I need to wake up fast.
Let's open the window.
Let's open the window.
我们打开窗户吧。
Let's open the window.
Let's open the window.
The sunlight feels so nice.
The sunlight feels so nice.
阳光感觉真舒服。
The sunlight feels so nice.
The sunlight feels so nice.
Time to make the bed.
Time to make the bed.
该整理床铺了。
Time to make the bed.
Time to make the bed.
I need a cup of coffee.
I need a cup of coffee.
我需要一杯咖啡。
I need a cup of coffee.
I need a cup of coffee.
Where's my phone charger?
Where's my phone charger?
我的手机充电器在哪里？
Where's my phone charger?
Where's my phone charger?
Let's check the weather today.
Let's check the weather today.
我们看看今天的天气吧。
Let's check the weather today.
Let's check the weather today.
I think it's going to rain.
I think it's going to rain.
我觉得要下雨了。
I think it's going to rain.
I think it's going to rain.
What should I wear today?
What should I wear today?
我今天该穿什么？
What should I wear today?
What should I wear today?
I can't find my socks.
I can't find my socks.
我找不到我的袜子。
I can't find my socks.
I can't find my socks.
These pants are too tight.
These pants are too tight.
这条裤子太紧了。
These pants are too tight.
These pants are too tight.
My shirt needs ironing again.
My shirt needs ironing again.
我的衬衫又需要熨烫了。
My shirt needs ironing again.
My shirt needs ironing again.
I need to brush my teeth.
I need to brush my teeth.
我需要刷牙。
I need to brush my teeth.
I need to brush my teeth.
Where's my toothbrush?
Where's my toothbrush?
我的牙刷在哪里？
Where's my toothbrush?
Where's my toothbrush?
I'm running out of toothpaste.
I'm running out of toothpaste.
我的牙膏快用完了。
I'm running out of toothpaste.
I'm running out of toothpaste.
I need to wash my face.
I need to wash my face.
我需要洗脸。
I need to wash my face.
I need to wash my face.
The water is too cold.
The water is too cold.
水太冷了。
The water is too cold.
The water is too cold.
I should use warm water.
I should use warm water.
我应该用温水。
I should use warm water.
I should use warm water.
My hair looks messy today.
My hair looks messy today.
我的头发今天看起来很乱。
My hair looks messy today.
My hair looks messy today.
I need to comb it quickly.
I need to comb it quickly.
我需要快点梳头。
I need to comb it quickly.
I need to comb it quickly.
Let's make some breakfast.
Let's make some breakfast.
我们做些早餐吧。
Let's make some breakfast.
Let's make some breakfast.
Do we have any bread left?
Do we have any bread left?
我们还有面包吗？
Do we have any bread left?
Do we have any bread left?
I'll fry an egg today.
I'll fry an egg today.
我今天要煎个鸡蛋。
I'll fry an egg today.
I'll fry an egg today.
I need a cup of milk.
I need a cup of milk.
我需要一杯牛奶。
I need a cup of milk.
I need a cup of milk.
The coffee smells so good.
The coffee smells so good.
咖啡闻起来真香。
The coffee smells so good.
The coffee smells so good.
I'm almost ready to go.
I'm almost ready to go.
我差不多准备好要走了。
I'm almost ready to go.
I'm almost ready to go.
Did I pack my keys?
Did I pack my keys?
我装钥匙了吗？
Did I pack my keys?
Did I pack my keys?
I think I forgot my wallet.
I think I forgot my wallet.
我想我忘记带钱包了。
I think I forgot my wallet.
I think I forgot my wallet.
I need to check my bag.
I need to check my bag.
我需要检查一下我的包。
I need to check my bag.
I need to check my bag.
Time is running out fast.
Time is running out fast.
时间过得真快。
Time is running out fast.
Time is running out fast.
The bus comes in 10 minutes.
The bus comes in 10 minutes.
公交车10分钟后到。
The bus comes in 10 minutes.
The bus comes in 10 minutes.
I should leave right now.
I should leave right now.
我应该马上出发。
I should leave right now.
I should leave right now.
I feel sleepy but okay.
I feel sleepy but okay.
我有点困，但还好。
I feel sleepy but okay.
I feel sleepy but okay.
Mornings are always so busy.
Mornings are always so busy.
早上总是这么忙碌。
Mornings are always so busy.
Mornings are always so busy.
I finally made it on time.
I finally made it on time.
我终于准时赶到了。
I finally made it on time.
I finally made it on time.
A new day has begun.
A new day has begun.
新的一天开始了。
A new day has begun.
A new day has begun.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。